In this video, we're going to be providing a full tutorial on how to use Sora, OpenAI's video generator. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. In order to use Sora, you will need to be on a paid version of ChatGPT, which starts at $20 per month for the Plus plan. This includes limited access to Sora video generation. From the main ChatGPT page, you simply need to click on Sora on the left sidebar. Alternatively, you can go to sora.chatgpt.com. By default, you will be on the Explore page, where you can see a variety of different images and videos that other users have generated. The top page contains the highest rated images and videos that have been generated by Sora. If we click on any of these, we can view the prompt that was used to create them. This is useful to learn how to create a good prompt for Sora. We also have a button to edit the prompt, which when clicked will bring the prompt up in a text editor so we can make changes to it and recreate the video. The button which says recut allows us to chop and move parts of the video around. At the bottom, we can also make changes to the aspect ratio, resolution and duration of the video. If we hover over the images and videos, we have three quick options. The first one is Remix. If we click this, it will bring us into an editor where we can type prompts in order to make changes to the image or video. For example, for this I'm going to type make the sea calm. Then we need to pick the resolution. I'm going to stay with 480p. Then we can choose the number of variations we want Sora to generate. So I'm going to go for 1. Finally, we can choose the remix strength, which determines how different you want the video to be from the original. I'm going to go for mild remix. Then I'm going to hit the remix button. Once a video has been generated, it will appear in the My Media tab. Now, to actually get started creating videos with Sora, we simply need to type our prompt in the box at the bottom. This prompt describes a woman riding a bike in Tokyo. Then underneath that, we need to choose if we want to create an image or video, so I'm going to select video. For aspect ratio, I'm going to go for 1:1. I'm going to keep the resolution at 480p as this is the quickest. For duration, I'm going to choose 10 seconds. We can then choose the preset for the video. For this, I'm going to keep it on none. Now I'm going to hit the create video button. Just like before, once a video has been generated, we can view it from the My Media tab. This is what it looks like. At the bottom, we have a variety of different options to edit the video. If we take a look at the top, we can add it to our favourites. We can like it, dislike it, share it and download it. Any media that you like can be found from the likes tab, and anything you favourite can be found from the favourites tab. That's all we have for this quick tutorial on Sora. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.